Dear friends, hi, an interesting event awaits us, the Dino Ranch. Let's put the puzzle together and see what's going on here. Puzzle medium level. Let's go. Let's go. We need 4 coordinates. Number 1. Yes. Coordinates number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Oh, it is coordinates number 1. Okay. These coordinates. I think so. This. Oh no. No, it's not right. Okay. This picture. Maybe this? No. It's not right. Okay. Variant number 3. Yes! Oh wow! It is right. Look, these corners. Okay. Corners. Yes. Where is this fish? This? Maybe. His fish this? Okay. Yes! Look, it is right. Cool. Nice. This picture. Where is this beach? Oh, look. Maybe he. Okay. Yes, it is right. Cool. I like it. And coordinates number 4. Oh, look. I think so. This coordinates number 4. Yes, look. It is cool. We have 4 coordinates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! Now we need 4 line. Line this, and this. We need all beach puzzles with one side line. Look, this beach with line one side, and this, and this, and all. Okay, this beach line this. This beach maybe this. Oh no, it's not right. Okay. This. Yes. Now it's right. Cool. Well, fish. This line. Oh, look. I think so this. Yes. It's cool. Oh, it's right. Fish. This with line this. Maybe this fish. Yes! Oh, wow! Wow, it's cool. Now we need 2 fish with line this. Look, 1 fish this and this. Okay. This fish maybe this? No, I was wrong. It's not this. This. Yes, it is right. And now this fish. This. Yes. Woohoo! And we need 1 fish with line this. This fish maybe. No, that's not line. Maybe this. No, it's not right. This fish. Yes. It's cool. It's right. I like it. And we have 2 fish for center. Okay. This fish maybe this? No. Or this? Yes, it's right. Cool. And the end.
It's an empty dino nest.
Oh.
Look, an unhatched egg. Way to sniff it out, Clover.
Oh, Clover, it is beautiful.
And it's hatching. Cool.
Cool. Oh, it's beautiful. Dinosaurs. Kids, dinosaurs. Thank you, friends. Thank you. We did it. I think so interesting, yes? Please like this video and subscribe. And see you. Bye.